I'm in the park and I'm gonna look for the Comet, the C2023. And first you need to do is download Stellarium. And once you download it, open it up, and it's gonna ask you what how you want your device location. You want precise, or you while using this app only this time, or don't allow. I suggest you use only this time. Now on the magnifying glass. Wait a minute. It's gonna say not in real time, so click that and click yes. When you see the even ask you a question, would you like to go back to the real time? Say yes. Now search, click the magnifying glass and search C slash 2023 and click the first one, the one with Atlas, and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, it's gonna show you where to look. It's gonna have an arrow circle and a big arrow. Now you see it's the arrow right there. So now it's gonna come up this side. So I'm gonna position myself, but I can put something in front, like a tree or just a hill. So I'm gonna look for some object to as a foreground. See how it. All right. So there's the comet. My video camera was able to pick it up. So as you can see, it's visible, and Stellarium. Can I see it? Huh? So it Stellarium said it's there, and it's there. So I'm gonna take a cell phone shot and a camera shot. So right now this is on video. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna take a cell phone shot too. I'm gonna show you too. Put it on night mode. Yeah, I see it. Now I'm gonna use this my camera to take a picture of it. It's like the video is going off and on. So I mean off auto focusing off. I'm gonna put it on manual focus first. So I had to climb up. As you can see, my camera's recording it, hoping for an owl to fly in front of it. I'm on top of the hill. The moon's kind of bright, that's why it's kind of faint, because it's the bright moon there. It's good for me because I can see where I'm going, but it's bad for the camera because there's too much light. But hopefully an owl will fly in front of it. That would be awesome. Yeah.